Hi, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads in Greenville, Ohio, downtown at the Bootery. Stepping into the Bootery is like stepping back in time. This shop has changed very little over the years. It still smells the same as when I was much younger. I love that smell of leather. They carry quality shoes, and if they don't have your size, they'll get it for you. And they do a good job at fitting them. And if you're looking for cowboy boots, boy, do they have them, and they are gorgeous.
Hi everybody, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads, and we are here at the Bootery in Greenville, Ohio, and I want to introduce you to the owner. It is David Marshall, and his son also works here with him. Jason. And so, David, could you tell us a little bit about the history of the Bootery and how long you've been here and some of the things you guys do, because I know you do repair things too.
Yep, we do repair a little bit of everything. Sell all kinds of shoes, quality shoes. A lot of American-made product. Been here since 1916.
Same location the whole time?
Second location.
Okay.
Yeah, we've been here for about 45 years. That's about how long I've been here.
Yeah.
Yep, you knew that.
I knew that, yes. And you have beautiful boots,
All kinds of boots.
Gorgeous boots.
and hats.
Boots, hats, belts, wallets, belt buckles. If we don't have it, we'll get it.
Yeah. Do you carry special sizes for like people with big feet, narrow
All
feet?
kinds. Yes, that's non-stop.
Yeah.
Always something new.
Okay.
Yep,
Anything else you want to add?
that's enough.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
thanks. You'll be on YouTube on Cindy and Jan back roads.
Because all you have to do is scan that.
It's wonderful to have a shoe store in your community that not only carries quality footwear and orders your special sizes and does fittings, but they also do repairs, and the repair purses, belts, shoes, you name it. They're very good at it. Not very many communities have a store like this, and we're proud to have them here in downtown Greenville. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and like our video and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook pages and follow us. And please, if you have an opportunity to support a small business, please do so. And as always, if you know someplace great for us to check out, let us know. We're always up for a road trip. Thank you for watching us.